So lovely. We've been looking at campers these last few weeks, sort of doing our own camper build. So if you've not already looked at that video popping up now about our little camper build, we've got the little camper in. We've got the other one that we're going to start building in a couple of weeks time, and now we've got a lovely 2015 Autocruise Alto. It's on the Peugeot body. It's got the 6-speed manual. We've got gas low connection on here, so we've got a filler basically to be able to fill our gas bottles up without paying for the gas bottles refills. It's just literally go to the auto gas stations and we can fill our gas up. So really good if you're looking to go abroad, and even in the UK, to be fair. We've got the Thule Omnistore wind out awning. It's got our awning light. Coming round to the back, we have got parking sensors and we have got the reverse camera. A little tow bar, so if you wanted to tow something, again, we have got the tow bar on there. And then really nice, clean, tidy condition all the way around. I think all the tyres had been replaced in 2023, so if you're looking for the date on your tyres, that's what you're sort of looking for, and that tells us that these were changed on the 11th week of 2023. Our mains connection hookup, we've got the flue for our gas, so it's got the Truma combi boiler, and that's where all of our gases, when we're using it on the gas, are going to come out of, so it's just going to come out of there. Cassette toilet, water connection, so how we fill up our water tank on board, and then we've got a little plug there that we could put a little pump in to pump the water in. Grey water waste, so our wastewater drain off tap is just here, and then we've got a little solar panel up on the roof as well that you might just be able to see. And then coming round again, it's just literally coming, so we've not had a chance to get it all cleaned up and everything as yet, but over this next week, as I say, we will be doing that. Drain water, or drain for our fresh water, we've got a little electric step on the doorway, and then as we come in, we've got our actual gas. Got our little gas locker on the side, and as I say, we've got our refillable gas bottle on here, so we just turn that on the actual gas bottle then, and that filler point is the gas low filler point just down there. Our switch for the step, little tilt up unit on the sink just to give us a bit more workspace. Little rail there for our table, so we can put our table and chairs outside and utilise the actual not the freestanding table, but the table that just clicks into here. 4 travelling seat belts, and then our actual table are just located up the top here, and a bit more storage as well then. Proper control unit. Our light switches, let's see if we've got a bit of power on here as well. I think we have. Let's see if we can get some lights on. Put our cabin lights on, and then have a little sneaky look around there. Plenty of storage all the way through, so nice cupboards all the way through. As I say, this will pull out and make into a smaller bed. The drivers and the passenger seats will spin round. We're on the Peugeot on the manual, 6-speed manual. We've got the air conditioning, we've got the cruise control, and then we have got a little reversing camera as well. We've got all the screens built in, so sunshades and screens built in to the front windows and side windows, so they all just come out nice and properly. Electric windows, and all of our usual bits and pieces. Just under 30,000 miles, so good mileage. We've got the microwave built in. We've got our Dometic sink, and then our Dometic hob, so 2 burners, and then a little grill, just, well, more of a little grill just underneath. Our 3-way fridge, a little bit of storage, nice wardrobe storage, and we've got our aerial on the roof there. And then into the back area we've got our fixed bed, and again lots of storage all the way through. Really nice layout this. a really nice layout. So again, lots of storage underneath of our bed, and that's accessible through the 2 little doors through the back door. All of the carpets are all in there, and then access to our boiler is just underneath of here. So lots and lots of storage. Nice roof light over the bed, plenty of lockers all the way through again. And then coming back towards the front, we've got our washroom on the side. So we've got a separate little washroom, and then that has a shower tap that extends up out of the sink, electric flush on the cassette toilet, and then a lovely little shower room. So really usable. It's not too big, I think just under 6 metres in length in total, under 3.5 tonnes, so pretty much anyone can drive this on your normal driving licence. And a really nice, I think this is probably my favourite layout in this type of camper van. Having that proper fixed bed, your 4 travelling seat belts, and then a decent usable kitchen area and whatever you as well. So just coming over at Garden Village. It will be going over to Gailey, so if you're looking at this video and we've still got it for sale, just double check on the website exactly where this is actually at the moment. As I say, it's literally just come in, so it is over at Garden Village at the moment, but it will be going over to the Gailey site in a week or so. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you have, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on our videos throughout the week. Thanks for watching. I'm Mark at the Caravan Place.